Welcome to Local Driving Academy in Loughborough. We're a team of passionate and experienced driving instructors who'd like to say a little something to the residents of Loughborough. Things have not been easy for anyone during the past few months. Many people have literally put their lives on the line to keep us all fed and enable us to make essential travel to work or for healthcare. We at Local Driving Academy can't thank these people enough for what they've done, despite the fact many of them only work for a minimum wage too. It's quite humbling when one takes a step back and thinks about the bravery of our healthcare workers. It must be scary going to work every day knowing that you may be exposed to a deadly virus. We think the care and dedication all health workers have shown deserves to be rewarded in some way, even if it's just a small gesture of thanks. As a thank you to all key workers and people working in healthcare in Loughborough, we'd like to offer you 2 free hours of driving lessons with us. No obligation, no small prints, and no catches. It's our way of saying thank you for everything you've done. It doesn't matter if you're young or old, have had driving lessons in the past, or you're a complete newbie. We're an experienced team and we're all great at making our students feel confident and at ease. If you're a key worker in Loughborough, please get in touch with us and let us show our thanks by giving you 2 free hours of driving lessons to give you a little something back for all you've done for the residents of Loughborough. Thank you all again for everything. Things would have been so much worse if it wasn't for people like you carrying on working and risking your own health in the process. Speak to you soon.